Hello! In front of me I have Amazfit T Rex 2 and I'm gonna show you how to lock the touchscreen on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you can swipe left or right on the screen to jump between the pages. Now, find the touchscreen lock icon. It looks like this, like the padlock. And to lock the touchscreen, simply tap on this icon. It will say that the touchscreen is locked, and now when you try to use the touchscreen, you won't be able to. This option is quite useful, for example, if you want to take a shower with your watch on your wrist, or maybe you want to take a swim with the watch. So it locks the touchscreen to prevent the misuses during the swim or taking a shower because of the water. And to unlock this touchscreen, simply press and hold the select button, or any of the buttons I believe you can press and hold until you see the unlock on the screen, and now the touchscreen is unlocked, like this. And that's how you lock the touchscreen on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.